This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Fold 3 is updated and has enough battery. Multitasking is power sensitive. Open Settings and go to Advanced Features, then Multi-Window to enable split screen and pop-up view. Once done, make sure Smart Rearrangement and App Pair are active. These let you combine apps quickly. You don't need extra apps. Samsung's built-in features handle it. Do this now, because enabling these options is the foundation for the dual-screen workflow you'll build next. You'll create an app pair so two apps open together on the inner display. Open your first app, then swipe in the Edge panel and drag the second app onto the screen to create a split. Alternatively, tap the three-dot menu and choose Open in Split Screen to position apps. Once arranged, drag the divider to change widths. Use App Pair to save this configuration in the Edge panel for one-tap recall. This speeds repeated tasks and keeps layouts consistent across sessions. You finish by mastering Flex Mode and final tweaks. Fold the device slightly to trigger Flex Mode in supported apps. This gives you a two-part layout without full unfolding. Practice dragging files and text between panes. Enable Clipboard Sync to move copied content quickly. If an app won't pair or the split disappears, restart the phone, toggle multi-window off and on, or clear the app's cache. These steps resolve most glitches and restore the dual-screen experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.